Hello friends, welcome to another episode of Fatih Read Aloud. I'm Ailbean Abdurrahman Arif from Fatih Bilingual Elementary School. Do you like reading story? Alright, let's listen to a story by Mutia Shafira Isan. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave comment below. Hope you enjoy the story. Hello reading friends, today I'll read a story about the boy who cried wolf, illustrated by Jeff Ebeler. One day, a boy was watching over his sheep. He was very bored. He wanted to play a trick. "Help, wolf!" cried the boy. The people of the town ran to help. There was no wolf, the boy laughed. The next week, he did it again. "Help, wolf!" cried the boy. Again, the people of the town ran to help. Again, there was no wolf. Again, the boy laughed. Then a wolf really did come for the sheep. "Help, wolf!" cried the boy. No one came to help. The wolf chased all the boy's sheep away. The boy learned a lesson. People don't believe liars even when they tell the truth. Thank you for watching. See you on the next Fatih Read Aloud video. Bye!